In this video, you'll learn about one way to think about the performance of leaders. The framework shown here highlights 4 levels or stages. The first one is emergent leadership. This stage is reached when a member becomes the leader of a group. You can find out more about this process by watching the next few videos in this lecture. The second stage of the framework is attempted leadership. This occurs when the leader makes an effort to influence others, but they aren't successful. Their followers don't comply or change. Imagine trying to lead someone who doesn't want to be led. You should try, but it doesn't guarantee success. They'll likely resist your attempts to impact them. The third stage is successful leadership. This level is reached when the leader succeeds in influencing their followers. For example, when we teach someone a new skill, or when we change their negative attitude about their role. However, success does not equal effectiveness. Effective leadership is successful leadership plus positive outcomes for the followers, the group, and the organization. So, effective leaders influence their followers and make good things happen for stakeholders at all 3 levels of analysis: micro, meso, and macro. Whether they reach this level depends on a number of factors, including their actions, not their traits, as well as the standards of the group.